This is my first time trying Dennys. Oh, just finished a 40-mile bike ride. Got a steak omelet with some French toast and some English muffins. Yo, try a bit of this steak. Hold on, Dennys. Way better than I thought. I'm starving, bro. It's a good meal after a bike. I rode all the way to Disneyland. Get this French toast on there. We need some steak on that. The strawberries and eggs, crazy. Wow. Yo, for those wondering, I burned 1,800 calories, so. Bro, this is a crazy concoction. Strawberries with bananas, eggs, and steak. Surprisingly, it works. Yo, Dennys, I'm rocking with you.